so now we get to assemble a scarecrow, and you guys are going to get to use a bunch of different papers, scissors, and glue sticks, and we are going to make some type of collage. So each scarecrow is going to be completely different. You get to make it your own. I've made a couple so far. Got one here, and there's another one. But you're going to start out by getting one of these in the middle of your table. You've got glue. You've got a stencil for a shirt and a stencil for pants. You need to make sure that you share with your table. You have 2 of each. You have popsicle sticks, orange squares, and big yellow squares. You're going to start out by using your square to make a circle for the pumpkin head. So you're going to start out by cutting the corners, just the baby corners. And then you're going to snip those little corners. And it starts to turn it in to a circle. If you feel more comfortable, you can draw a circle and then cut it out that way as well. So I've got my head. Set this one aside and make sure you make a pile of all of your scraps so that it's easier to clean up. Then you're going to get your yellow piece. Take your pencil and make 3 lines all the way down. This is going to be for your arms and your legs. And you're just going to cut right up those lines. There's an arm, and then here's 2 legs. Once you do that, this is going to be like hay, so you're going to take all of them, put them together, and you're going to make some fringe. So you're going to take it, and you're just going to snip little lines to make it look like it has texture like hay. So I've got my arms and I've got my head. Now you guys will get to come to the back table, and you're going to choose what color you want for your hat, and then you'll get to choose 2 pieces, one for your shirt and one for your pants. So first I'm going to choose the color for my hat. If I have an orange head, I'm going to choose maybe green for my hat. If I have a green hat, I'm going to try to unify my outfit somehow, make it feel fit together. So maybe I want to do a green shirt and I'm going to do kind of a reddish pants. After you've chosen your pants and your hat and your shirt, you're going to take it, flip them to the back, and you're going to trace 1 shirt and 1 pants. So I want that to be my shirt and these to be my pants. So you're going to take your stencil, line it up to the bottom, grab your pencil and trace around. Now I've got my pants and my shirt, and I'm going to cut those out. Oh wait, we need to do our hat. So you're going to take your hat and you're going to draw with a pencil. I'm going to do it in Sharpie so you can see. A hat. So you're going to start out by making 2 lines and then a triangle. And cut that out. Lastly, we're going to assemble it. So you're going to start out with your pants. Use a glue stick and put glue at the very top, and glue your shirt so it is overlapping, which means going over top of your pants. Next, you're going to take your head, and you're going to overlap it just a little bit on your shirt. Then you're going to take your hat, and again, you're going to overlap your head and glue it down. So just put glue so it's right on the edge and overlap it. Next, you have to put these on. When you have a scarecrow, the hay is normally inside of the scarecrow. So we don't want to put it over top. We want to flip this to the back, and you're going to glue so that the fringe is the part that's showing. Just like that. So if it's too thick, you can go in and cut it a little bit. You can even shorten it a little and glue it down. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get to make a face of some sort. Make sure you use a black marker in order to do this. And you can make it any way you want. There it is. The last part to this is you're going to use a glue bottle. Flip it to the back. And you want to make sure your stick can stick in the ground, so you're going to just glue just a portion of your stick onto the back of your scarecrow. I'm going to just put glue right here, and then I'm going to stick this on the back. Now to finalize it, you have your background that you made when we learned about foreground, middle ground, and background. And now you're going to take your scarecrow and you're going to glue it somewhere on your ground. So you want to use your glue bottle for this part. Put glue on the stick and stick it onto your ground. And there you've got your scarecrow. Have fun!